So what I used to make this bridge was these toothpicks right here, and these toothpicks are actually only pointy on one side, and that's good because then I only have to cut off one tip instead of two, and I'm less likely to poke myself on them. The other thing I used was this glue here, and nail clippers and parchment paper. Okay, so the first thing I've done is taken the toothpicks and I've cut the tips off just so that I don't poke myself on them. And then I'm starting to make these little triangles out of them. So after I made the triangles, I took 18 of them and made 3 of these panels. They're 9 long, but each triangle is doubled. So after those 3 panels were dry, I glued them together and then glued toothpicks across the bottom to create the span of the bridge. And for the legs, I took 2 of the original triangles, glued them together, and then glued 3 more onto them to reinforce the legs, making sure to keep the whole thing level. So I finished the bridge, finally got the legs figured out. My first attempt was very wobbly and it wasn't level at all. Like you can see, this leg is just like ready to fall off. But I like how this one turned out. I think it's very sturdy. You can see here I've doubled each triangle. This one actually is 4 of the legs. And then the underneath. I also made sure to lay these toothpicks, put them on top so they're laying across and it's not just the glue that's holding them down. I also reinforced the sides, put some extra glue and some extra toothpicks just to make sure. But yeah, I really like how the legs turned out. Here you can see just how much glue I put on the bridge. I wanted to make sure that none of, like, especially here, none of this would like fall apart. When you turn it upside down, you can actually see that it's not even at the top at all. When it was drying, it kind of got tilted. But yeah, it's pretty stable, just a little wobbly, like this one. This one is very wobbly, like not even flat. It's kind of falling apart too.